You know that one girl that Rob outed for having bad breath? I'm willing to put money that she sleeps with her mouth wide open. Because when you sleep with your mouth wide open, all the bacteria in the air that you breathe doesn't get filtered through your nose hairs, it goes straight into your mouth. That's why some of you have a massive case of morning breath. Which is why you need to start using these. These are ZZ Sleep mouth tapes. They promote nasal breathing and improve your quality of sleep. You don't have to take my word for it. Read some of the reviews under this product and they will mention how their sleep drastically improved. But you'll only understand that if you give these a shot. So make sure to grab yours at the link below.